Create chatbots with gamified quiz elements using SendPulse's Chatbot Builder to attract new customers and collect contact data automatically. Chatbots will ask questions and award points for every correct answer. Once users complete your quiz, they will receive a message with their scores and a reward for participation. The more points, the higher the reward. The Chatbot Builder is integrated with our CRM system, which allows you to collect and process user data for future interactions with ease. Let's explore how to create a chatbot quiz using SendPulse. Create a new flow in your chatbot. In our video tutorials, you can learn how to create Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Telegram chatbots and connect them to other SendPulse tools, so follow the links in the description. In the first message element of your chatbot flow, add a quiz description and ask your subscribers to share their phone number or IML address to receive a reward. Your subscribers' contact info will be automatically saved to your chatbot's audience tab and added to your mailing list. Follow the link to our video tutorial in the description to learn more. Then, turn on the Wait for the subscriber's response toggle. Select a validation type, edit your message if needed, and choose a target variable. With the phone or contact data type, you can also select the Do Not Accept Text Value checkbox to allow users to share only their own contact info from the messaging platform they use. This filter is applicable to Facebook and Telegram. Then, select a response wait time from the drop-down list and click Apply. In case a user doesn't respond within this time, add another message asking them to share their contact info to avoid losing this lead. Once a user enters their contact information, you can save it to SendPulse's CRM system. To do this, add the action element and select the Create Deal action. Type in a deal name, select a pipeline and deal stage, and assign a team member. Then, click Apply. As soon as you receive a user's contact data, offer them to answer your first quiz question. Use the message element to create a message and add buttons with answer options. You can also attach images to make your quiz more visually appealing. Users will receive 1 point for each correct answer. To let your chatbot award points within the flow, add the action element and select the Set Variable action. You can select an existing or global variable from the list. Or, if there's no variable, create a new one, type in its name, and select the number variable type. Your new variable will appear in your chatbot's Audience tab. Set the variable value of the correct answer. Select the Insert Formula checkbox, insert your formula as a variable in double curly braces, and type in +1. Set the variable value of incorrect answers to 0. You can copy the action element and edit it whenever necessary. Add the rest of the questions to your chatbot flow and copy the action element you have configured. At this point, you don't need to set variable values of incorrect answers to 0. Points won't be awarded for wrong answers, and the total score won't be reduced. Add the filter element to calculate user scores at the end of your quiz. Select a variable, its value, and an operator to set your filter criteria. For instance, users can receive a larger discount if the variable value equals or exceeds the average score. If you want users to meet multiple criteria, use the All operator. You can also use the Any operator to trigger your filter when at least one of the specified criteria is met. To send users their quiz results, select your score variable from the drop-down list and add it to your message. Users will receive different messages based on their scores. Update your deal in the CRM system so that your team members can see users' quiz results and continue interacting with them based on the points scored. Add the action element, select the Edit CRM Deal action, and change the deal stage. Subscriber data points are stored in your chatbot's Audience tab and the CRM system. If a subscriber adds their IML address or phone number to your chatbot, this information will be automatically added to your mailing list. Click a deal card in the CRM system. You will see a variable with your chatbot subscribers' quiz scores, contact data, deal history, and your chat in the messaging platform they use. You can send messages through this chat, call, text, or email your chatbot subscriber based on the contact data you have. Go to your chatbot subscriber's card by clicking their name or icon. Here, you can create tasks, edit user information, add deals, or delete their contact data. If you use a paid pricing plan, you can export contacts from the Audience tab to a CSV file and upload them to the CRM system. On top of that, you can segment your contact list when creating chatbot campaigns using saved data from the Audience tab. Namely, you can offer subscribers who haven't yet completed your quiz to take it and receive a bonus for participating. When a subscriber shares their IML address or phone number through your chatbot, this information is automatically saved to your mailing list. Saving contact data to your mailing lists allows you to create automated flows in automation to send email and SMS campaigns to your chatbot subscribers. To give you an idea, you can send freebies to your subscriber as a gift once you receive their email address. To do this, in automation, create an automated flow, add subscribers' data to your mailing list, and type in your message. When a subscriber adds their email address through your chatbot, they will automatically receive an email. With our built-in Google Sheets integration, you can collect customer data through your chatbot and move them to your spreadsheet using the action element. The system automatically creates new rows with customer data in your spreadsheet. This option is available with our paid pricing plans. To learn how to integrate with Google Sheets, check out our tutorial. You can find the link in the description. Not sure how to get users to engage with your chatbot and take the quiz? Here are some ideas that can help. Share your quiz on your website and highlight its benefits for your visitors. Make sure to add CTA buttons like "Try it now" or "Get started." Then, add the link to your chatbot flow to the button. To get a flow link, click the 3 dots next to your flow name and select Copy Flow. Once users click the button, the system will automatically direct them to your quiz. You can embed this button on your SendPulse-powered websites or pages created using other tools. Edit your automatically created BioLink page in your SendPulse account. In particular, you can add text and a button that triggers a specific chatbot flow. To do this, just drag the required elements to the workspace and edit them. Share a link to your chatbot BioLink page on social media. Add it to your newsletter or launch targeted advertising in Meta, offering users a chance to win a discount or consultation by taking an interactive quiz in your chatbot. With Instagram and Facebook chatbots, you can add a flow to your Meta Ads Manager account using SendPulse's Chatbot Builder. Once a user clicks your ad's Send Message button, the system will automatically launch your chatbot flow. To do this, add a button or quick reply to your first message so that users can reach your next flow element. Select the Add the Current Flow to the list of available ones in your Facebook Ads Manager checkbox. Next, add elements based on your scenario. To learn more about how to add flows to Meta Ads Manager, follow the link in the description. If you don't want to create a quiz from scratch, use one of our pre-made free templates. Go to Chatbots, open the Templates tab, select the Chatbot Quiz template, and copy it to your chatbot. Then, simply edit your flow elements.